We spent over $400,000 on this log home, and I'm going to show you every single dollar. The land, the logs, the foundation, the stuff nobody puts in their budget. And trust me, there's a lot of that. Because when we started this journey, we searched YouTube, we searched Google, and all we found were ranges, $125 to $275 per square foot, which, honestly, told us absolutely nothing. So today, I'm pulling back the curtain completely. Real numbers, real receipts, real regrets, and real wins. Whether you're dreaming of a log home, actively planning one, or already knee-deep in the build, this video is going to save you from some very expensive surprises. And make sure you stick around to the end, because I'm going to reveal the one cost that almost broke our budget completely, and nobody warned us about it. Before we dive in, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. We document everything about Rustic Log Home, living the beautiful parts and the brutal, honest truth. So hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. And if you're already part of this community, thank you. Now let's get into it. Let me set the scene for you. We fell in love with the idea of a log home the way most people do, scrolling Pinterest at midnight, daydreaming about waking up surrounded by beautiful wood, a stone fireplace crackling, trees as far as the eye can see. What those Pinterest photos didn't show? The permit headaches, the contractor delays, the moments we sat on the floor of a half-finished house wondering what we had gotten ourselves into. We started this journey wanting something real, something that would last generations, a home that felt alive. And in 2026, we got exactly that. But the price tag? It was a wild ride. So here's how we're going to break this down. I'm going to walk you through every major cost category, give you the real numbers we paid, and tell you what we wish we had known going in. No fluff, no sugarcoating. Let's start at the very beginning, the land. Before you can build a single log, you need somewhere to put it. And this is where a lot of people's budgets start going sideways, because land costs vary wildly depending on where you are. We paid somewhere between $10,000 and $150,000 for our property depending on the region, with rural acreage in your state region typically running $1,000 to $4,000 per acre in 2026. Now here's what they don't tell you about buying raw land. The land purchase is just the beginning. On top of the purchase price we had to pay for, land survey, $200 to $1,200 is typical. Expect to pay around $600 on average. Land clearing. If your land is heavily wooded, which ours was, clearing in 2026 now averages $3,300 to $5,600 per acre. That was a number that caught us completely off guard. Budget $4,000 to $12,000 for a typical 2 to 3 acre clearing job. Grading and leveling. To prepare our building site, expect to spend $1,500 to $5,000 depending on slope and soil conditions. Total land and site prep, $15,000 to $175,000 depending on your acreage, region, and raw land condition. Pro tip: if you're buying land right now in 2026, get a full survey before you buy. We've heard so many horror stories of people purchasing property only to discover the buildable area was half what they expected. Next up, the foundation. And this one's important because your foundation is your log home's future. A concrete slab foundation typically runs $4 to $10 per square foot in 2026. Though if you're going with high-grade reinforcement or a complex footprint, you can push toward $14. For a full basement or crawl space, costs climb significantly higher. We chose a concrete slab, the most common choice for log homes, and for a 2,000 square foot footprint that runs around $6,000 to $20,000 in 2026. Here's what surprised us. The foundation costs almost always run over budget. Why? Because once crews start digging, they find things. Unexpected rock, poor soil conditions, drainage issues. Unexpected foundation problems can add $3,000 to $15,000 to your bill without warning. Foundation. Total, $6,000 to $35,000 depending on type and site conditions. Budget tip: always add a 15 to 20% contingency on your foundation estimate. Always. Okay, now, we get to the part everyone wants to talk about, the actual logs. In 2026, industry estimates place full-build log home costs between $125 and $275 per square foot for standard builds. Luxury custom designs, handcrafted, full scribe, the real showstoppers, are hitting $500 per square foot and beyond. We went with a turnkey log package from a regional builder. Here's something crucial that I wish someone had told us early on, and this is going to shock some of you. The log kit itself is only about 25 to 30% of your total finished home cost. In 2026, with rising labor and specialized finishing costs, that number has actually gotten smaller, not bigger. The rest, site prep, foundation, utilities, interior finishing. That's where the real money lives. For a standard 1,500 to 2,000 square foot build, a log kit alone runs $75,000 to $200,000. A turnkey package including materials and installation runs $187,000 to $550,000. What was included? The log shell, roof system, windows, and exterior doors. What was not included? Foundation, interior finishing, plumbing, electrical, HVAC, and utilities. This is where so many people get blindsided. They see a kit advertised for $80,000 and think they're 1/3 of the way home. But that kit almost never includes foundation, labor, plumbing, electrical, HVAC, or finishing. By the time you're done, that $80,000 kit becomes a $300,000 to $400,000 plus home. Every single time. Log package. Total, $75,000 to $200,000 for the kit alone. Full turnkey, $187,000 to $550,000. All right, this is the segment that I need you to pay close attention to, especially if you're building on raw land. Getting utilities to your property is one of the most underestimated costs in the entire build. If your land doesn't already have power, water, and sewer connection, you're about to spend serious money. Here's what the data says for 2026. Running electrical power, $5 to $25 per linear foot from the nearest utility pole. Trenching for underground lines, roughly $400 to $1,200 per 100 linear feet. And if your property is far from the road, this adds up fast. Drilling a water well, averages $35 to $65 per foot in most regions. Though if you hit solid granite, costs can go higher. A typical 150-foot well runs around $5,500 nationally in 2026. Septic system. The 2026 national average has crept up to about $8,000 for a standard system. Propane tank, if no natural gas, $700 to $5,700. Getting utilities to vacant land can run anywhere from $6,500 to $30,000 plus, and that's before surprises. For a typical rural log home build in 2026, total utility connection costs land between $15,000 and $45,000 once you add up power, well, septic, and trenching. Our utility connection costs, $15,000 to $45,000, is a realistic budget range for raw land in 2026. This is the one that catches people completely off guard. We've talked to other log home builders who budgeted $10,000 for utilities and ended up spending $45,000. Know your land before you buy it. Labor. This is where 2026 really bites. Construction labor has gotten significantly more expensive over the last few years. Material costs keep rising too. According to the National Association of Home Builders, construction costs now make up a record 64.4% of a new home's total sales price. For log homes specifically, you need specialized labor. Not every contractor knows how to work with logs, handle settling, or deal with the unique needs of this type of construction. Construction labor for log homes typically runs $35 to $50 per square foot just for the shell. For a 2,000 square foot log home, labor for the shell alone runs $70,000 to $100,000 in 2026. Total construction labor, including all trades, framing, roofing, plumbing, electrical, HVAC, typically lands between $125,000 and $200,000. The wild card? Delays. Contractors are stretched thin right now, and delays cost money. Carrying costs on your construction loan, extended rental costs if you're living elsewhere, and sometimes penalty fees. Build delays in 2026 are averaging 2 to 4 months beyond original timelines, which can add $5,000 to $20,000 in carrying and living costs alone. Labor total: $125,000 to $200,000 for a full 2,000 square foot build. Now for the fun part, where the house actually becomes a home. Interior finishing covers everything: flooring, kitchen cabinets, countertops, bathroom fixtures, doors, trim, lighting, appliances, paint. The list goes on. And here's the truth. This is where most people either blow their budget trying to get the look they want or cut corners and regret it forever. For our rustic log home, we wanted to honor the natural beauty of the logs, so we leaned into materials that complemented the wood rather than competing with it. Here's our interior breakdown with verified 2026 national averages. Flooring, $8,000 to $25,000. For hardwood, stone, or tile across 2,000 square feet. Kitchen, $25,000 to $75,000 depending on cabinetry, countertops, and appliances. Bathrooms, $8,000 to $20,000 per bathroom for mid-range finishes. Lighting fixtures, $3,000 to $8,000 for a full home. Appliances, $5,000 to $15,000 for a full kitchen and laundry set. Interior doors and trim, $4,000 to $12,000. Fireplace/wood stove. A traditional wood-burning fireplace runs $1,900 to $3,300. Gas is $2,300 to $4,000. A full stone surround can add another $5,000 to $15,000. Total interior finishing, $55,000 to $170,000, depending on your finish level. Our biggest splurge, the stone fireplace surround, because in a rustic log home, that is the centerpiece of everything. Our biggest money saver, open shelving in the kitchen instead of upper cabinets, saves thousands and looks stunning against log wall. Okay, this is the segment I promised you at the beginning. The costs nobody warned us about. Because here's the reality of log home ownership in 2026 that the beautiful Instagram photos don't show you. A log home is one of the most maintenance-intensive properties you can own. Every expert agrees on this, and the maintenance costs are ongoing, forever. Here's what that looks like in real money. 1. Chinking and sealing. The chinking between your logs, that flexible sealant that keeps air and moisture out, it doesn't last forever. Here's the number that will make your jaw drop. In 2026, a full professional re-chinking job can run anywhere from $8,000 to $20,000 plus, depending on the linear footage of your logs. For a larger or more complex home, we've seen quotes hit $50,000. Now, routine annual maintenance and spot repairs are much less, around $1,000 to $3,000, but you need to budget for the full job every several years. 2. Exterior. Staining your logs need to be restrained every 3 to 5 years to protect them from UV rays and moisture. Budget $1,500 to $4,000 or more, depending on your home's size and complexity. 3. Pest control termites are just the beginning. Carpenter ants, wood-boring beetles, rodents finding their way through deteriorating chinking. A log home requires annual pest inspections and regular treatment. Skip this, and you could be looking at structural damage that costs tens of thousands to fix. 4. Insurance. And this one is critical in 2026. This isn't just about log homes being flammable. In 2026, if your property is in or near a WUI zone, that's Wildland Urban Interface, you may be required to meet fire hardening compliance standards before you can even get insured. We're talking fire-resistant vents, ember-resistant roofing, defensible space clearing. Some log homeowners in high-risk states are seeing their insurance premiums double or triple, or being dropped entirely by standard carriers. Get a quote and ask specifically about WUI compliance before you build. This is the conversation that nobody had with us, and it nearly blindsided us completely. 1. Permits and inspections. Don't underestimate this line item. Depending on your county and state, permits can run from a few hundred to several $1,000s. In 2026, building permits for a new log home averaged $1,200 to $6,000 nationally, with some counties charging significantly more. 2. Driveway and landscaping. Getting to your beautiful log home costs money too. A gravel driveway runs $1,500 to $10,000, depending on length. Landscaping, drainage, and septic field restoration add another $3,000 to $8,000. Budget $5,000 to $18,000 for this category. 3. Construction loan. Interest rates. One more thing, and this hits hard in 2026. If you financed your build with a construction loan, interest rates have made carrying costs significantly more expensive than they were even a few years ago. Construction loan rates in 2026 are averaging 7.5 to 9.5%. On a $400,000 build taking 12 months, that is $30,000 to $38,000 in interest alone before you even move in. If your build runs long, those extra months add up fast. Our total estimated hidden and ongoing first-year costs: $45,000 to $90,000 when you add permits, driveway, landscaping, first-year maintenance, insurance setup, and construction loan interest. Was it worth it? Absolutely. But we want you to go in with eyes wide open. All right, you've been patient. Here it is, our complete honest breakdown. Category 2026, verified average range land and site. Prep $15,000 to $175,000. Foundation $6,000 to $35,000. Log package/kit $75,000 to $200,000. Utilities $15,000 to $45,000. Construction labor $125,000 to $200,000. Interior finishing $55,000 to $170,000. Permits and inspections $1,200 to $6,000. Driveway and landscaping $5,000 to $18,000. Contingency and surprises $20,000 to $50,000. Grand total $317,200 to $899,000. Now, is that more or less than you expected? For context, here's how our build compares to the verified 2026 national averages. Category 2026, national average full build. Turnkey, $150 to $300 plus per square foot. Land clearing, $2,900 per acre. Septic system, $8,033. Well, drilling $5,500. Average 150 feet depth. Concrete slab for 2,000 square feet, $6,000. Log homes, because of their specialized materials and labor, typically sit at the higher end of that range. And if you're going custom or luxury, well past it. Was it worth every penny? Come walk through this house with me and tell me what you think. This fireplace, these beams, this view out the kitchen window. Every single dollar spent, I'd do it again. But I'd do it smarter. I'd budget bigger for utilities. I'd add a larger contingency, and I'd start my maintenance fund on day 1, not day 365. If you're planning your own log home, take these numbers seriously. The dream is 100% achievable, but go in informed. I hope this video gave you something real, something you can actually use to plan your own build. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It genuinely helps more people find this content and make better decisions. Drop your questions in the comments below. We rate every single one and answer as many as we can. And if you want to see more honest, real-world log home content, subscribe and hit the bell. We've got videos on mention upcoming topics, interior decorating, maintenance tips, heating costs, etc. Thanks for being here. We'll see you in the next one.